Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Want to swipe faces in your videos, whether it's for fun or creativity or for professional editing? Stick to this video till the end and I'll show you how we can use AI to change the faces in your videos, and this is one of the easiest way you can swipe faces in the video using this AI tool that I'm going to show you. So let's get started. So we are in our computer screen right now. Just type magic hour on Google and you can see they have some sponsored ads, and from here you will go to this option here, which is face swipe. You can go to that on their website as well. Go to face swipe, and this is the tool where we are gonna edit. No complicated editing required or any professional experience is required. You just need to upload the image and upload the video, and this will get the video done. And let me show you a demo. I will quickly upload the video for this demonstration. This is my picture, and I'll upload the sample video that I want to edit. So once you do that, you'll click on swipe faces. So what really happens is, because we are using a free version, this will only edit the video for the first 10 seconds. If you want an extended version, then you'll have to sign up for an account which is free, and also check out their pricing. So once you upload your image and you upload the video that you want to swipe face, you will click on this button here that says swipe faces, and this will take a few minutes because you're using a free version. I'll pause this video until this is completed so that you don't have to wait. Alright guys, our video is now completed. You can see this was the video, and now this AI tool has perfectly synced my photo in this video, and I can play and show you. You can see how realistic it looks, and this is how you can swipe faces in any of the videos using this free tool for the first 10 seconds. And if you want no watermark, or if you don't want a daily limit on how much videos you can edit, then you can sign up to their product, sign up to their plans that they offer. And they also offer a large file upload capability, which comes with the premium. And make sure you only use this for fun and not to take revenge. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.